Hi, I'm Ashita and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. This video is all about how my week goes by while working as a software engineer at Intuit, as well as my day-to-day life activities which I'm going to capture. To try to keep it short because it's my first video and it might not be perfect, but thank you if you're watching this. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Hey everyone, and I can realize it's Monday because as soon as my eyes saw the sunshine, actually I didn't see the sunshine, but the first thing I've done is review a PR, and now I'm gonna go and do other activities, my morning things, whatever is needed, breakfast and everything, and then come back to my laptop again. हो गया है, फेस वॉश हो गया है, पानी दे दिया है पौधों को. अब हम जाते हैं ब्रेकफास्ट बनाते हैं. I'll see you after I have my breakfast because then I'll be mostly walking. Now I'm just gonna eat my breakfast and watch something. जो कॉल आके नाश्ता करते हो जब मैं खा पाए तो खाऊंगी.
ठीक है, I'll just take a seat.
I have to be in the call. And now I have Scrum, so I'm gonna go join Scrum and then go back to the same call. 1 o'clock and I'm still stuck on call, so let's see when do I get free for lunch. Like 20 minutes break. I am just heating up the old food which I made yesterday. The old भी नहीं हुआ, रात में बनाया था. तो फटफट ये खाऊंगी और फिर से कॉल पे बैठ जाऊंगी. My head is literally aching because of hunger. I don't know what, but it is aching. I gotta work to earn money. Buying my food, parallelly looking into the issue. And it's already 5. And
So
I'm still
yeah, I
working.
did look into this because
6:12 and I'm just taking 10 minutes break ताकि मैं अपना आटा गूंथ सकूँ रात के खाने के लिए. And tomorrow will take you to office. I just woke up. I need to shower quickly, get ready for office. Ready for office. I'm just wrapping a few stuff and waiting for my friend. She's gonna take me to office since I have like a cyst on my hand. So as soon as I reached office, I had a call to attend. I did that parallelly having my breakfast, and post that I will go back to my seat and work from there till lunch break. Lunch now. Quickly we'll come back. Post this, I went for Intuit's new office gallery walk, where on suggesting a room name there was a goodie for everyone, and also there was a chocolate mousse as a snack. It was so yum. Then went for a post lunch walk, came back, worked again, had a team meeting, and then I left for home. मैंने घर आके थोड़ा सा और काम किया. जैसे पहुंचता I had so much of work. I did that. Now I have to have food. I'm probably gonna order something because I don't have the strength, and then get back to work again. अभी तक मैं काम कर रही हूँ. अभी रात के बजने वाले हैं 11:40. अब तक मेरा काम नहीं. मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है और मेरे घर वाले परेशान कर रहे हैं मुझे. It's 1 now. Last I was on the bed, then I switched my place because I had to test few things and I was feeling sleepy. It's day 3. I am ready. I just woke up and then quickly got ready. Now I need to reach office. To go to first floor, I'm taking the stairs. Then we'll have breakfast and get back to work. Come on, Ashita. Going on Terrace Road to get nuts, which you can order at 10 and 3 in my office. It's like a small packet of. Let's go and get it. Let's take a moment to appreciate these. Then for the same session, there were snacks today as well. It was an apple pie. Worked, had my evening chai, and left for home. It is almost 6:39. I'm still stuck on a call. Walk for 10 minutes and then get back to work because I need to finish a lot of it. in like 10 minutes. I'm going to have breakfast and same old routine. Start working as soon as I have breakfast or start working parallel too. टेक द ऑफिस कैब बिकॉज मेरे पास कोई साधन नहीं है वापस जाने का. तो ओनली ऑप्शन आई हैव इज ऑफिस कैब. मतलब आई डू हैव उबर ऑलर बट वो भी बुक नहीं हो पाते बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रैफिक थिंग. और मुझे भाई ऐसा लग रहा है चलते चलते बेहोश हो जाऊंगी. बहुत ज़्यादा चल रही है. थोड़ा दूर तो है वहाँ से. मुझे लगता है ना बिकॉज वेदर वाज ओके बट टुडे आई डोंट नो इट्स टू वार्म. आई एम फीलिंग इधर आई एम टू डिहाइड्रेटेड. आई डोंट नो. ऑलमोस्ट रीच्ड होम. जस्ट मी एंड माय वर्क चिलिंग. यही होती है लाइफ ऑफ अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर. मैं क्या दिखाऊँ भाई. यही करती हूँ मैं पूरा दिन. ये देखने लायक. हो सकता है आज शाम को मैं स्नैक वूस बना लूँ अपने लिए बट उससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊँगी. Day 5 and I'm not going to office because I'm not feeling well and I'm gonna work from home and try to capture something different I do in a day. But mostly it's going to be similar to the Monday that I'll be working at. Thank you for staying so long on my video. Day 5 was almost same. I was working late. I thought I'll get free Friday के कारण but ऐसा हो नहीं पाया because it was a hectic work week and because we have a release upcoming, so that's why. इसके अलावा if you want me to do something or you think I can improve in certain way or any kind of video you want me to shoot, you can add in the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.